Hey Griddle Nation, I'm Blackstone Betty. In this video, I'm gonna share with you how I season all of my Blackstones, and I've seasoned a lot over the years. I'm gonna share with you why I started the trend of using a grill block and onions to help get that super smooth, slick surface. I think you guys are gonna love seasoning your new griddle this way, just like a lot of people out in Griddle Nation do already. So let me show you guys how to season your new Blackstone griddle at home. The first thing I like to do to all of my new griddles after I have them put together is take a grill block and sand down the entire surface. This helps to get rid of any imperfections, and I feel just adds to the end result of that really smooth surface. Once that's done, you want to clean up the mess that it leaves behind using some dish soap. Now, this is the only time you will ever use dish soap on your griddle, so wash it well. Then get yourself some fresh, clean water and rinse off all of that soap. Now that we have a clean griddle, we're going to turn our burners all on to high heat. Let this dry your griddle plate. Once you start to see it turn black and your griddle is smoking hot, we're gonna grab the Blackstone Griddle Seasoning and Cast Iron Conditioner. Now, we've made the perfect blend for you. If you do not wanna use this, I would go for a canola or grapeseed or any other high temp oil. You want to get a thin layer of your conditioner and seasoning or your oil thinly rubbed in all over your griddle surface, including the sides, the back, the outside. Show all of your griddle plate some love. Now we're gonna let this just burn off for about 5 to 10 minutes or until that smoke starts to die down. Now, once you've done 3 to 4 rounds, you could continue to add more layers of seasoning. With each layer, your griddle is going to get darker and darker, especially the more that you cook, until it is completely black, hence the name Blackstone. Now that you're satisfied with how your griddle plate looks, it is time to finish this seasoning process the Betty way, which is cooking a ton of onions. The reason why I like using onions to help season my griddle versus bacon or any kind of animal fat is because onions contain sulfur, which helps to bond the oil to the cold rolled steel griddle plate. Plus, onions are super cheap, so slice yourself up a ton of onions, toss them in whatever oil it is you like. Today I'm using canola just because canola would be my first choice for seasoning my griddle. We'll let these onions sizzle on low heat across the entire surface, and halfway through I do like to let them sit and hang out along the edges just to help that part of our griddle get a little extra love. Once our onions are fried up, we'll remove these, and from that point you can either toss them since they're so inexpensive, or you can use them for another recipe. The last thing I'm gonna do is a quick wipe with a paper towel across this griddle surface, making sure that it still has some oil in between every cook to protect the griddle itself. We'll take our Blackstone cleaning cloths, clean up the mess we made, and now your Blackstone is ready for its first recipe and many more. Know that we share daily recipes all over social media, YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, for you guys to take and make at home. So check out our recipes. Be sure that you post your seasoning, what you're cooking at home, tag us at Blackstone. We love watching you guys just as much as we love you guys watching us. Until next time, I'm Blackstone Betty. I cannot wait to share more tips, tricks, and recipes with you in my next video.